Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you are doing all right. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you the new HuggingFace chat, which might be a nice replacement for the ChatGPT. First of all, I want to show you the paper. I just go quickly over it and show you the interesting part. So yeah, it it was basically trained on some corpus which was crowdsourced by over 30,000 volunteers. Um, yeah, it is comparable to GPT, the 3.5 turbo version, and basically an open source model. As I said, the important thing is that it was trained, or the thing is only possible due to the volunteers. Big shout out to all of you guys. If you are interested in the whole paper, I don't want to elaborate all of it, but it's definitely worth to read about it. So yeah, what's really worth to know, the main language is definitely English, but it's also a big part of it is Spanish, and then we have some other small parts of the training in different languages. The whole thing was trained on some conversations, like the volunteers found the conversations, and this is used for the training. Some geographical satisfaction. Yeah, the contributors basically were, most of them were male, and something about their degrees, education, employee status, the experimental validation. Then some correlations between the outputs and the average labels of the humans, the limitations, and so on. So now let's go to the nice part of it. Let's ask, when was your release? Too much traffic, wow, amazing. I know that from the GPT beginnings, but let's ask Code a Snake Game. It's still too much traffic. And there we go. Code a simple regex to classify these strings based on these in Python. Too much traffic, please try again. All right, guys, so one last try. There we go. It definitely knows how to code. Some random strings to verify. Print matching strings, there we go. Can you code a basic React component which renders my title and a header? Too much traffic again. There we go. I haven't really played around with it, but I'm super happy to give you a deeper opinion on that open source chat model. But as you can see, it works pretty well, and it's open source. You should definitely try it, and yeah, leave your feedback and your opinion about it in the comments. Also, if you like the video, leave a like and a follow. I'm happy to show you more of it. See you next time.